Guys, good afternoon. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. For today's video, check natin ang 2025 Honda Civic 1.5V Turbo CVT Crystal Black Pearl. Guys, ito yung base model ng ating Honda Civic. Ang kanyang price is 1,600,000 pesos. So, tour ko na kayo ngayon sa ating featured unit for today. Guys, quick review lang for our featured unit. Kasi very limited ang unit na to, guys. May waiting time, kaya yung mga client talagang pag decided na sila, talagang inaano namin na mag-reserve ng 5,000 para at least mailagay lang sila sa priority list. So dito muna tayo, guys, sa front portion. Naka LED headlights tayo with daytime running lights. Matte black honeycomb pattern front grille. Same goes dito sa lower front bumper. Then meron na siyang mga sensors. 4 na sensors to sa front portion natin. Wala na rin siyang fog lamps. Kasi yung headlight naman, malawak yung scope ng ilaw. Kayang-kaya niyang i-brighten up yung pinaka vision nyo sa daan paggabi. Regarding naman sa engine, guys, naka 1.5 turbo engine tayo, CVT. Then ang kanyang horsepower is 178, 240 Newton meters of torque. Turbo engine, double overhead cam, front wheel drive. 4-cylinder, 16 valve. Powerful yet fuel efficient ang ating makina. Kasi ang turbo engine naman ng Honda, guys, magki-kick in lang siya once na mahit mo yung 2,000 RPM. Equipped na rin siya ng Honda Sensing. Dito naman tayo sa passenger side. Naka 17-inch dark gray and chrome alloy wheels tayo. Ventilated disc ang ating front brakes. MacPherson strut ang ating suspension. Ground clearance is 134mm. Side turning lights, isa sa side mirror na. Body color door handles with smart entry. Solid disc naman ang ating rear brakes. Multi-link naman ang ating suspension sa likod. Then, ang chassis naman lagi ni Honda is monocoque naman. So, ang shape niya is parang letter I. Shark fin antenna. Then, ang V variant nga pala, guys, it's more on nasa executive look. Ang RS kasi, it's more on the sportier one. Tail lights is LED na. Meron tayong emblem na VTEC Turbo. Meron na rin tayong reverse camera. Meron na rin siyang 4-eye backup sensor. So may guiding sound tayo every time na mag-reverse tayo. Makita ko lang ulit yung back portion natin. Ang maganda lang sa 2025 year model, guys, meron na siyang color black. Then meron tayong 493 liters of cargo space. One of the best assets ng Honda is yung compartment. Then donut type, spare tire, tool set, nandito na rin. Meron tayong lever dito para just in case meron kayong mga long objects, kaya nating i-fold yung second row na sandalan. Pakita ko lang, guys, para ma-visualize nyo lang. So 60-40 ang partition natin. Yung Civic kasi ngayon, guys, based sa mga nag-i-inquire sa akin, very in demand. Lalo na yung hybrid and turbo. So kung mapapansin nyo, very limited pa yung mga nasa daan kasi nga yung stock niya hindi pa ganun kadami. Pero eventually, as time goes by, dadami rin ang inventory natin. Ang ceiling natin for V variant guys is light gray. Then LED na ang ating dome light. Sa middle section guys, naka aircon vent tayo with 2 type C charger ports. Fabric seats ang ating material sa upuan. Meron tayong armrest sa second row seats. Meron tayong 2 cup holders. Sa door panel naman natin sa driver side, nandito yung buttons natin, power folding side mirrors, power side mirrors, ito yung knob, yung adjustment ng mirrors, central door lock, window lock, and window switches. Manual adjustment ang seats natin for the V variant. PSI guide. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Try nating start guys para makita nyo ang panel. So sa panel nga pala ng V guys, combination siya ng digital and analog. Not unlike yung higher variants kasi natin, yung RS Turbo and yung RS Hybrid, full digital na yung panel natin. Pero regarding naman sa harap, sa dashboard, almost the same naman siya. Kasi honeycomb naman yung aircon vent ng ating interior for Civic. Then naka high mount touchscreen audio unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready tayo. Aircon buttons natin with knob. To charge, dalawang USB ports na Type-C for charging and mirroring. Power outlet. Itong portion na to is for additional space. Patayin ko lang uli guys ha. Then ang center portion natin, meron tayong 2 cup holders with fiber garnish. With carbon garnish pala guys, sorry. Kamali ako. And sa ating transmission naman guys, meron tayong leather cover with gray stitches. Then ang ating transmission is park, reverse, neutral, drive, sports mode, and low gear. Icon button promotes fuel efficiency. Electronic park brake, gagamitin na natin siya pag magpapark na matagal or off na natin yung makina. Then brake hold, ito ang magiging handbrake natin pag stop and go tayo sa traffic. Glove box, dito natin lalagay warranty booklet, owner's manual, copy ng ORCR, and insurance policy just in case na meron kayong hard copy. Map light na LED na guys. Visors natin with mirror na yan. Same goes sa passenger side. So guys, quick review lang naman to. So just in case meron kayong mga concerns, inquiries regarding cash discounts, low down payments, parts inquiries, service appointments, and bank display for our bank partners, feel free to call or text 0906-386-8937 or visit me at 598 EDSA Balintawak, Caloocan City. And look for me guys, syempre Ross Oliver Cruz, ang inyong friendly sales manager here at Honda Cars Balintawak. Follow na rin sa aking Facebook, Ross Oliver Cruz, and aking Facebook page, Honda Cars Balintawak Best Deals by Ross Oliver Cruz. And kindly subscribe na rin sa aking YouTube channel para maging updated sa mga susunod na videos. Yun lang guys, thank you and God bless.